What's up, guys? I know I haven't done a video in a long time. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean these buffalo leather boots. I'm gonna use this Angelus easy cleaner, take off all the mud, all the dirt from them, and then I'm gonna use this reptile exotic skin cleaner I always use. First, I'm gonna dip this Angelus all-purpose cleaner on here on the brush. I'll clean this off. If you got extra foam, you're already done cleaning it, just wipe it down with a cloth. Also gonna get inside the little the stitching here, so I'm gonna use a toothbrush for that here. Just dip it in the easy cleaner and go in there. And after I got inside the little welt there, what I'm gonna do, just of course wipe it down, get all the dirt out of there. All right. You can also do the heel here. Just not gonna mess it up. And just wipe it down after you scrub good. As you can see, they did a pretty good job of cleaning them. Now what I'm gonna do is let them dry for a bit. Now I'm gonna use the exotic skin cleaner from Scout. They look pretty clean already. I'm just gonna use this one pretty much to condition them a little bit. The other one will just take off all the mud. All right, so I'm gonna spray the heck out of them all the way to the top. Again, it's okay if it goes in the wow or anywhere else. Brush, and then I'm gonna work into it so you can see the little bubbles on there. You're not always gonna see the bubbles, but it's all good. Get up in here. If it's really dirty, you can spray some more, but it'll be good. Just pretty much working all the exotic skin cleaner. It looks like there's just dry grass on there, so I'm gonna spray a lot of it. Yep, that's what it was. All right, took that piece off. Looks nice. And I'm also gonna wipe it down. I let it sit about 30 minutes. I'm sure you could do a lot more. Looks pretty good. All right, compared to the one I didn't clean. Big difference. Very nice. All right, here's the final one. So I'm gonna use this Scout boot shine, this quick one, just to see how it's gonna finish. And this one lasts about a day. It's pretty cool. You just put it on there. It's really, really neat. I get in the heel too. If you're in a hurry, this is a perfect little quick shine. All right, do the top here. I'm sure you can use polish if you like. This is like a burgundy black cherry color. You can use a neutral one on here if you like. All right, check it out. It's a little quick shine. Look at that. Oh, I've got some in the back here. And again, this lasts about a day, but it looks really good. Look at that compared to the old one. Nice. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know on the comments below. See ya.